do you want, little fox girl?
I want to learn how to fight. I want you to train me.
Oh! And why would a little thing like you want to fight and train with King Monkey?
Because I have to be strong and a match for anyone, so I can protect the man I love.
So Bella, in the last lesson, Sakura used the word match.
I'm more than a match for you now,
She just used the same word again.
and a match for anyone.
Match has a lot of meanings in English. Here, Sakura is using match as a noun, which means equal in strength, skill, or quality to another person or thing. My cooking skills are a match for yours. This means our cooking skills are equal. When Sakura said, "I'm more than a match for you," she is then saying, "I am more than equal in fighting skills to Jing Fei. I am better than her in this ability."
So I can say, when it comes to drinking alcohol, I'm more than a match for you.
You're more than a match for anyone when it comes to drinking alcohol, Bella. You can also say, "I'm no match." Here, you are saying your strength, skills, or quality are below those of another person or thing. For example, you're no match for Björn in a fight. Or, if I want to make the sentence stronger, there is no way in the world you are a match for Björn in a fight.
Who's Björn?
That's Björn. Match is often used when you are comparing your strength, skills, or quality in a competitive way with another person or thing. One common structure you can use is subject be more than a match for object when it comes to object. I am more than a match for Bella when it comes to languages. Or we can say subject be no match for object when it comes to object. I am no match for Bella when it comes to dancing.
I'm not interested in training you. Go away!
I can give you magic peaches. From heaven. I know you like them.
Oh, how did you get magic peaches from heaven?
I stole them.
Oh, the little fox is a little thief.
I only stole them because the Queen of Heaven got angry with me.
And why did she get angry with you?
Because I borrowed her favorite dress without asking. And I might have accidentally ripped it.
So you stole that as well?
No, I only borrowed it without asking. So I could look pretty for my boyfriend Vincent. But he doesn't know who I am.
Eh? How can he be your boyfriend if he doesn't know who you are?
Actually, he isn't my boyfriend yet. He still thinks I'm just a normal fox, and hasn't found out I have a Teen Toon form. But to make matters worse, he is now spending time with my evil sister.
There's an evil sister now? Don't make me laugh.
Please, King Monkey. I'm no match for her when it comes to fighting. Teach me, so I stand a chance of beating her. Then I can save Vincent, and we can be together forever. Make me strong, King Monkey.
Strength will not come from defeating your sister, little fox. Strength will only come from defeating the demons that live within you. And I see that you have many demons. I see jealousy, envy, anger, and foolish obsessiveness inside you. Are you willing to do battle with those demons, little fox?
If it makes me stronger, then yes. I'm more than willing.
Then I, King Monkey, great sage, equal of heaven, will train you, and together, little fox, we will fight demons. Now give me those peaches.
Let's look at another expression now, Bella, that you don't understand. Don't make me laugh. Jing Fei used this expression in a previous video,
Don't make me laugh, Sakura.
and King Bunky just used it then.
Don't make me laugh.
Don't make me laugh is a funny or sarcastic response to a statement you think is stupid or highly unlikely to happen. For example, if I say, I'm stronger than Björn, you can say,
Don't make me laugh.
good. Or if I say, I'm better at drinking alcohol than you, you would say,
Don't make me laugh.
The last thing we are going to look at in this lesson is the noun chance.
In a fight, you wouldn't stand a chance against me.
Chance is used in English to mean the level of possibility that something will happen. Let's say from 0% to 100%. So when Jing Fei said, in a fight, you wouldn't stand a chance against me, she is saying the possibility of Sakura winning the fight is next to 0%. A very common way to use chance in a sentence is there be a chance of noun or pronoun ing. There is a chance of Jing Fei winning a dance competition. Or we can say, there be a chance that, subject, verb. There is a chance that Sakura is going to win the dance competition. Chance can be made stronger in these structures by adding certain words. For 0%, you can say no chance. There is no chance of Sakura winning the dance competition. A little higher, we can say not much chance. There is not much chance that Sakura is going to win. Then even higher, a slight or slim chance. There is a slight chance of Sakura winning. We can also say an outside chance. There is an outside chance Sakura is going to win. At 50%, we can just say a chance. There is a chance of Sakura winning the dance competition. Then a little stronger, we can use a good chance. There is a good chance of Jing Fei winning the competition. Even stronger, an excellent chance. There is an excellent chance that Jing Fei is going to win the competition. Lastly, for 100%, we can say every chance. There is every chance Jing Fei is going to win the dance competition. So Bella, if you want to make a question with chance, simply say, is there any or a chance of noun, pronoun, ing. Is there any chance of you lending me $100?
Not a snowflake's chance in hell.
Another way we can make a question is there any a chance that, subject, verb. Is there a chance that you're going to buy me lunch?
There might be a slight chance.
The last structure with chance we're going to look at in this lesson is subject, have, a, adjective, chance of, ing. Sakura has a good chance of winning the dance competition. We can also replace have with stand. Sakura stands a good chance of winning the dance competition. Like in the previous structure, we can use the following adjectives in the structure to make the possibility stronger or weaker. Note that instead of using no chance, I have no chance of getting a job, I stand no chance of getting a job, I can also say I don't have a chance of getting a job. I don't stand a chance of getting a job.
I have to get to work in 5 minutes.
Your work is 50 kilometers away. You don't stand a chance of getting there on time.
If I ride really fast, there is a slight chance that I won't be late.
You stand every chance of being late. Just call in sick. There's a good chance your boss will believe you.
There's no chance of him believing me. I've already pretended to be sick 3 times this week. Wish me luck.
Hey Bella, you're going the wrong way.
You've always been a spoilt little princess. Weak and useless. You weren't even strong enough to save Vincent when he needed you most.
You're wrong. Jingfei. I'm not weak and useless anymore.
So the monkey god did train you. I apologize for not believing you, little sister.